Windows 10 support is ending on October 14th, 2025. That means no more updates or security patches. It is time to check if your PC can run Windows 11. Download the PC Health Check tool from Microsoft's website. It's the easiest way to check compatibility for your current hardware running Windows 10. Just one click, install it, and run the software. And here's the result. If your PC meets the requirements like TPM 2.0 and Secure Boot, I'm good to go. If not, I might need a hardware upgrade or a new device. My hardware isn't officially supported, but I still need to upgrade from Windows 10 to the latest Windows 11, so I have to find a way. In this video, I'll show you how to upgrade from Windows 10 Pro to Windows 11 Pro using just one command, without losing any files. Stay tuned to learn more. First, download the Windows 11 ISO file from the official Microsoft website. Downloading Windows from the official Microsoft website ensures authenticity, security, and reliability. It guarantees you get the latest updates, a stable installation, and official support. Third-party websites may offer tampered or outdated versions, increasing the risk of malware and system issues. The Windows 11 file requires 6 GB of space and will download depending on your internet speed. I recommend using a fast connection for a quicker download. While the file downloads, sit back, relax, and enjoy a cup of coffee. Next, create a new folder in the C drive, where Windows 10 is already installed. Ensure the folder name contains no spaces. Initially, I made this mistake, but I have already corrected it. Locate the downloaded ISO file, open it using Windows Explorer, and copy all its contents into the newly created folder in the C drive. Once the files are copied, now we will eject the ISO file that we opened in File Explorer. Once it is successfully ejected, we should also delete the downloaded ISO file, as it is no longer needed. This helps free up storage space and keeps the system organized. As you can see, I have renamed the folder without space. Finally, open Command Prompt with administrative privileges and run the following command. The following command will seamlessly upgrade your current Windows 10 installation to Windows 11 without altering your package type. Don't worry about the word server in the command. It has no impact on the upgrade process or your package type. Now the setup will start and installation will begin in a moment. Just follow the steps and wait for the loading to complete. Windows 11 offers several advantages over Windows 10, making it a worthwhile upgrade. It features a modern streamlined interface with centered taskbar icons and a redesigned start menu for a more intuitive user experience. Performance improvements, such as better memory management and faster wake from sleep times, ensure smoother operation. Now, let's restart the computer. Your data remains intact because the upgrade process keeps all files, applications, and settings. Unlike a fresh installation, which wipes the system, this method simply replaces system files while preserving user data. No personal files or software data are lost or altered. To remove old Windows 10 files, use Disk Cleanup. 1. Open Disk Cleanup by searching for it in the Start menu. 2. Select the C drive and let it scan. 3. Click Clean up System Files and let it scan again. Check Previous Windows installation and other unnecessary files. 5. Click OK and confirm the deletion. Remember, once you delete old Windows 10 files, you cannot roll back to Windows 10 without performing a clean installation. As you can see, the free space on your C drive has increased after the cleanup compared to before. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.